Welcome back. Suhasini Shah or Jadugar Suhasini, one of the world's youngest magicians, will conduct 8 seminars and 2 workshops in Goa from 15th to 20th July. The seminars will be free of cost. They will be conducted at various places in the state. Main thrust of the seminars will be on mind control, cognitive behavioral therapy, hypnosis and law of attraction.
Jadugar Suhani has performed around 5,000 magic shows in India and overseas. Suhani has been conducting seminars and workshops in Goa for the past 4 years. Now again, Goaikars will get an opportunity to participate in her workshops. Suhani tells us where and when these events will be held.
8 free seminars in different cities of Goa. We are doing it on 15th, we have it in Mapsa Residency in Mapsa. 16th we have it in McKinney's Palace, Panjim. 17th we have 2 seminars. Morning 12 o'clock it's at McKinney's Palace in Panjim. Evening 5 o'clock it is at Ravindra Bhavan, Margao. On the 18th it's at the hotel The HQ in Vasco at 6 o'clock in the evening. 19th again at McKinney's Palace, Panjim, and 20th again at Ravindra Bhavan, Margao. So like this, we have a total of 8 free seminars.
What will be seminar conducted by a musician contain? Suhani revealed the motive behind holding this seminar.
We want people to come and to get aware. It's basically for the awareness. People need to know the cause of their suffering. Whatever you are going through today, it's created by their own selves, is what we want to make them realize, and the solutions too lie within themselves. So in the seminar, we'll be explaining all the aspects related to the mind: conscious, subconscious, superconscious, hypnosis, self-hypnotism, memory, personality, mind reading, law of attraction, cognitive behavioral therapy. Everything will be explained in a very simplified form and a very clear manner to the people so that they can understand it and work on them right away.
A reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
And now news from sports. Goa's Ranji Probables have regrouped for the season. On Thursday, the Probables underwent urine and blood test at GCS Academy in Porvorim. This is the time when the players are brought from off-season mode to match-fit conditions. Physiotherapists play a very important role in this transition. Prudent caught up with senior physiotherapist of the team, Danny Pereira.
The probable players slated to play for the state this season in all major competitions reported as early as 7 a.m. for urine and blood tests. Later on, Goa's brand new skipper Shatab Jakati along with a few of his teammates were sweating it out at the gymnasium. Senior physiotherapist of the Goa team, Danny Pereira, does a job similar to a mechanic in an F1 team, servicing and maintaining the players and ensuring they are match fit for the next game.
If you really go to see, my role is multifaceted because I not only treat a sportsman but also the sportsman is a patient first, and my field is totally different because I deal in sports, and sports is something very demanding because I need to get the player back in the game fully fit before a speculated or stipulated time. So what happens if a lay person, if you are treating a lay person, you can set up a time limit or set up a goal for the person and you can prolong it. But when you are treating a sportsman, you have to get him fit because if he is not fit, the team loses. So what I do is basically I set a goal for myself. I see what tournaments the player has to play and how he needs to get back, and then I plan my recovery and his treatment according to those things. Before we start training, there's something called as pre-season training. So initially now for the Ranji Trophy boys we'll be starting pre-season training. So pre-season training means actually to get them back into the training groove. So after pre-season training comes peak season training. That is where the player gets into his peak and the fitness is prescribed and maintained so that the player carries on that peak, his peak performance throughout the season. And after the peak season training we have the post-season training.
Prudent also caught up with fast bowler Saurabh Bandekar.
Like the last year only, we had our blood tests and the urine tests. That's it. No more tests. Recently, we've had a talk on the anti-doping thing by the BCCI. It was conducted by the BCCI. So they've told us a lot of things regarding what we should avoid and what we should not do. So the boys have been keeping that in mind and going by in a certain manner.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Falari from Porvorim.
Two doubles teams from the state have qualified for the main draw at the ongoing Almeida High School Centennial All India Junior Badminton Tournament. The tournament is being played in Ponda and Madgaon.
In one of the most exciting matches, Anushka Kuelkar and Sanchali Dasgupta registered a victory on Wednesday evening to enter the final round of qualifying in under-19 girls doubles. Anura Prabhudesai and Riya Mukherjee qualified for the main draw in girls under-19 doubles, while Aniket Shenoy and Pranjal Chimulkar have made it to the main draw in mixed doubles. In the singles category, Pranav Salim Khan lost to Sumit Goyat. Boys doubles also proved disappointing for Goa on Wednesday. Here are some highlights from Anushka's exciting encounter. A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.